In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GitHub Repo to Lovable, a quick guide. We'll walk through connecting your GitHub account to Lovable and confirming that a specific project is properly linked. By the end, you'll be able to see your repositories inside Lovable and verify that your project is pulling from the right place in GitHub. Start by opening lovable.dev in your browser and signing in. Give the page a moment to load your workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want to connect your repositories. Next, head to Settings. You'll typically find this in the main navigation or under your account menu. Settings is where we'll manage integrations for the entire workspace. Inside Settings, look for the GitHub section. Open it to connect your GitHub account to Lovable if you haven't done that yet. You'll be prompted to authorize access on GitHub. Confirm you're signed into the correct GitHub account, especially if you use more than one. When the authorization screen appears, grant Lovable the necessary access and, if prompted, choose the organization and repositories you want Lovable to see. If you've connected GitHub before, this is a good place to double check that the connection is active and that the right repos are selected. If you don't see a repository you expect, review the GitHub permissions or expand access to additional repos. Once that's connected, return to the Lovable dashboard. This brings you back to your projects view. Here you'll see all your projects. Any projects you've linked to GitHub or repos that are available to link should appear or be selectable. Depending on your setup, you may notice labels or indicators showing which projects are connected to GitHub. If you have a lot of items, use search to quickly find what you need. Choose a project you want to verify and open its settings. This is the project level configuration, which is separate from the workspace settings we visited earlier. Inside the project settings, open the GitHub section. Here's where you confirm the project is truly connected to the correct repository. Check that the repo name matches what you expect, and if a branch is shown, confirm it aligns with your workflow. If the interface offers a reconnect or change option, you can review it here, but if everything looks correct, you're all set. That's it. Your GitHub repo is connected to Lovable, and your project is confirmed. Congratulations.